Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Adobe Photoshop on a Mac computer. Tutorial 17, exporting your project. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, the application Adobe Photoshop, and the project that we have been working on in the previous tutorials. As you can see on screen, photo.psd. Let's now turn the attention to the project. Click on this and wait for that to open. And now the project itself is done, ready for exportation. Go all the way to the top, File, Export, Export As. Let us leave everything the way it is. Format, PNG, width 3840, height 2160. We can scale this to 200 or maybe even more. Let's now export this to the desktop itself. Photo.png to the desktop, save. It may take some time for the exportation to take place. Let's just navigate to the desktop. And there we go. Let's just double click on this. Open up photo.png. And there we go. A crystal clear image exported from the project on Adobe Photoshop. Quick preview. Go back to Photoshop. Command S to save. Quit Photoshop. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on the next tutorial. Thanks for now.